can say that the definition of blockchain can be.
It is given not only given to one person, it's given to all the person. And cryptocurrency is a form of digital money. So basically, this topic focuses on how this technology benefits to other areas like banking system, education, healthcare department.
Blockchain is a technology in which the like transparent and temper proof. So blockchain is also a much broader picture than cryptocurrency or digital money because I think that most of the people are only aware about blockchain because of cryptocurrency, but blockchain are used in many of the forms and application of blockchain are very broader. Like
listen to the word blockchain, what comes in our mind? Firstly, we think about blockchain, and then throughout that, the thing firstly come in our mind is the bitcoins and the cryptocurrencies, right? But beyond that, blockchain is much wider. And in blockchain, we had seen that it's a digital ledger, right? So there are majorly four types of blockchain. Firstly, a private, which is open source to everyone and everyone can use, like bitcoins. And there are private blockchains and there are hybrid, in which the public and the private both are considered hybrid. And consortium, in which the some of the group of people govern that organization, and that organization gives the profit of the bitcoins to the people. So that is governed by a group of organization. So these are the major four types of blockchain types. And blockchain is a decentralized ledger. So there are blocks which are decentralized and they are connected through the chains and which are secure, which are transparent, and which are very secure way to use. So in blockchain we had seen that they are helpful for the healthcare purpose also and for the supply chain management, as you said, ma'am, and as you also mentioned, sir. So that are the major part, and voting system also. Why we use blockchain only? Because it's very secure. The data which the customers are sharing for the supply chain management, if we talk about, if we are using Flipkart or any of the online platform, we used to we give our information, right? Firstly, they ask for our login credentials. So where they are stored? They are stored in blocks of chain which are very secure. So our data are stored in that blocks. And if we talk about voting system is also secure, right? We use the voting system, and in that blockchain is used because it's transparent and very secure way. So these are some of the usage of the blockchain. And as we go ahead,
Good morning, everyone. First of all, we need to understand what is blockchain mean. Blockchain is a technique where we can store our data and information in a blocks. And there are some types of cryptographic, blockchains is like semantic where we can use only one key. And in asymmetric cryptography where we can store its public key and private key. And also
every coin has two sides, the first advantage and the disadvantage. So the blockchain has the advantage like transparency, scalability, and many more. But it also has disadvantages like it has complexity issue, scalability issue, and the regulation. Without the regulation, a blockchain is like mess. So the future is technology of future is permanent, but the high risk
that it's about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, but I want to tell you that in my opinion, Bitcoin is not only about blockchain is not only about Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. It has much wider impact, and it has a decentralized and very secure digital data, and it's used across various industries in today's generation. So it's very secure for its uses is across many industries. Like we can give example of in healthcare, there are recorded of patients uh, and it can prevent the fake drugs because of that. And also, if we talk about banking, there is very secure transactions are there, and in education system, it provides secure storage and verification of certificates and degrees, and also there are many more uses of that.
But Arun, I think that this security and transparency could be on darker side as well, because if as we know that blockchain is transparent, but it's way too transparent. For example, a case was mentioned by you that it can be used for voting systems, but I think that blockchain is so transparent that the main motive of voting, to keep the voter disguised just by maintaining the numbers, that could be harmed by this transparency. Also, we know that blockchain is immutable. Immutable means that it can't be changed once created. So, a human factor exists in every technology, that if a human error rate is done by any person, blockchain can't be erased or anything. So, garbage values or garbage correction is a much bigger issue in blockchain. Also, my friend also stated that scalability, the blockchain is very scalable. So scalability comes at a cost of power. I agree with you, but the blockchain is not a technology that you are all stating that only cryptocurrency is a blockchain. I think everyone said if we tell what is blockchain, so some people think that cryptocurrency is blockchain, but cryptocurrency is a product of blockchain. Blockchain is made for transparency and security, not for that everyone can see everyone. User transparency and user security. User can see where data is going, where the data is storing. Because in current scenario, we said that if you store some data in some cloud or any technology like Google, Azure, somewhere, the data is stored in the platforms of the storage system of that particular company, and user can't see that where this data is using, where the data manipulation is going on, in which use case the data is used. So blockchain is technology for the user to make a transparency between give and take of data, and security, because as we see that in past, we have faced so many challenges regarding data. Like some country use some other country's data because the data center is in that country, or in war and everywhere. So blockchain is the vision. Blockchain comes with the vision of security for that purpose. And when cryptocurrency come in the market, they will upgrade in blockchain. As I said, very good points of blockchain, but there is some bad thing which happens with blockchain. I hope that you all know about the dark web. Dark web is a technology which is fully based on blockchain, where you can't see where who is sharing data, who is giving data. And in dark web, we have seen that human trafficking, weapon smuggling, and drug smuggling of blockchain.
But as I heard that government has taken some action about that